Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Raheem Nahim. I'm here to show you our new 2024 Scout 251 XSS. This boat was ordered with all black motor, and with the midnight black package, which gives it a real cool look. If you want to climb on board, I can show you inside the boat. Come on board. So this boat came equipped with the Mercury 400 horsepower, the new V10 from Mercury. I'll show you the rear seating design, which is awesome. So you have a nice casting platform, or you have great seating here for the family. Look at that. Came equipped with a power pole. I forgot to mention jack plate for this 400 horsepower Mercury outboard. Let's look here in the center console. Scout does Garmin. We've got a nice 12-inch Garmin screen, our digital throttle, our jack plate control. We'll go towards the bow. This boat came equipped with our JL audio system. It does have the casting platform with a filler cushion, so it gives it a nice look, a nice full lounge for the family or when you're at the sandbar. Let's take a peek here at our bathroom. Look at that storage. We have a nice portable head, plus good storage. Our radio control. They equipped this one very nicely. So if you have any questions, hey, please visit us at www.marinemaxmiami.com or call us at any time. Thank you. Have a good day.